Mama Cher.
I love Chinese New Year.
And I can't wait for the fireworks.
They'll light up the sky. But before that, let me show you this.
Look, there's a rat, just like me.
And a tiger like me.
Bingo! They're the animals of the Chinese zodiac. In China, each year is named after one of them.
Which animal is it this year?
It's the year of the rat.
Really? Why?
There's an ancient story to answer that. Would you like to hear it?
Yes, please. Face paint, fireworks, and a story. Chinese New Year is the best.
A long, long time ago in China, all of the animals couldn't agree who the new year should be named after.
The new year should be named after me. I'm the strongest after all.
But you can't even fly.
Maybe we should have a carrot eating competition.
When the Emperor of China heard the racket, he got very cranky.
Silence. How can we have a fun New Year if you're all fighting like this? Now, what is this arguing all about?
We can't decide who the new year should be named after.
In that case, whoever crosses the river and gets to my palace first will have the new year named after them. Ready, steady, go! Well, go on.
You heard the Emperor. Let's race!
And so began the great race. But when the animals came to the river, it was far too deep for many of them to easily cross.
Stop! This river is dangerous.
Maybe for you, but I've trained for this moment my entire life.
Though neither big nor strong, the rat was smart and thought long and hard about how to cross the river.
How about a ship made of Swiss cheese? No, too many holes. Squeak! I have an idea!
The ox was about to start crossing the river when she heard the rat calling to her.
Oh, ox!
Yes, Rat.
How are we going to cross this river?
I was going to walk across it without much trouble.
I wish I were as big and strong as you.
I'm not that strong.
Oh, yes, you are. I bet you're so strong you could even carry me across on your back. No problem.
You really think so? Okay, hop on.
The rat convinced the kind ox to help her cross the river. Halfway across the river, the ox and the rat were catching up to the tiger.
Come on, ox. Keep it up. You're nearly there.
This isn't easy, you know. You're very heavy for a rat.
Well, I did have 6 slices of cheese for breakfast this morning.
Hop, hop, hop.
All the animals were finding their own way across the river. Well, almost all the animals. The dog and pig were having too much fun lazing about and playing fetch. When the tiger and the ox finally crossed the river, they were huffing and puffing with exhaustion.
I can't move. Me? Neither.
But because the rat piggybacked the whole way across the river, she wasn't tired at all.
Ox, you have a little rest there with Tiger, and I'll see you at the palace. Yay! I win!
And so, thanks to some shrewd thinking, the rat won the great race.
I didn't expect that you would come in first place, Rat. I'm naming the year after you. But since you all did so well, I'm going to name a different year after each of you. But wait! Where's Dog and Pig? Coming!
Ever since then, Chinese people have named the years in the order that the animals finished the race. So first the rat, then the ox, tiger, rabbit, dragon, snake and horse, goat, monkey, rooster, and of course, the dog and the pig.
I was sure the strong tiger would have won the race.
I thought the speedy rabbit would win.
Sometimes a clever plan is all you need.
Exactly, Maya.
The fireworks are starting.
Ooh! I hope we can celebrate Chinese New Year with you next year, Mama Cher.
It'd be my pleasure.